Hey there, folks. Welcome back to another exciting episode of Logistics Laughs. Today, we're diving into the beautiful world of warehouse robots and their incredible benefits. Don't worry, I won't turn into a robot, but I might throw in a few beeps and boops for fun. So let's get started. We've got 5 fantastic benefits of using warehouse robots in the logistics industry. Get ready to be wowed and maybe even laugh a little. Robots are the ultimate efficiency extraordinaire. These metal marvels can navigate through the warehouse faster than Usain Bolt on a sugar rush. They can calculate the shortest routes, avoiding obstacles and other clumsy humans like me. Plus, they never get tired or need a coffee break. It's like having a marathon runner with wheels. Seriously, I think I need roller skates to keep up with these guys. But hey, at least the robots don't laugh at me when I trip over my shoelaces. Remember those days when you'd pull a muscle trying to lift a heavy box? Well, say goodbye to those woes, my friends. Warehouse robots have super strength, literally. They can lift those heavyweights like it's nobody's business, saving our poor, fragile human bodies from all sorts of aches and pains. Ah, the bane of my existence. Thank goodness for these bots, or else I'd be heading straight to the chiropractor. If you ever played a game of hide-and-seek in a warehouse, trust me, it's not as fun as it sounds, especially when you're the one seeking. But fear not, my friends, because warehouse robots have got your back. These clever machines can track inventory faster than a bloodhound chasing a sausage. No more lost items or endless scavenger hunts. It's like having a personal assistant who's really good at finding stuff. Okay, I give up. Can I hire one of these robots to find my car keys every morning? Pretty please? Last but not least, warehouse robots are like superheroes in steel. They work tirelessly, 24/7, never complaining about overtime or demanding a cape. They ensure that your orders are fulfilled faster than you can say, "I need that package yesterday." These robotic superheroes are here to save the day, making sure your logistics game is on point. I mean, seriously, can we give these bots a standing ovation? Or at least a round of applause, they deserve it. I almost forgot to mention this exciting bonus benefit. Warehouse robots are not just efficient workers, they're also data detectives. These tech-savvy bots collect and analyze a treasure trove of information about inventory, operations, and productivity. They help us uncover insights that we might have missed, like Sherlock Holmes in the world of logistics. With their data-driven prowess, we can make smarter decisions, optimize processes, and improve the overall efficiency of the warehouse. Elementary, my dear robot. Together, we'll crack the code and unlock the secrets of logistics success. So, not only do these robots save us time and effort, but they also make us data-sleuthing superheroes. It's like having our very own team of high-tech detectives in the warehouse. And with that, we wrap up our episode of Logistics Laughs. Remember, embrace the power of warehouse robots and let them help you transform your logistics game. Until next time, stay curious, stay innovative, and keep those robots on the case.